Let's take a look at number 20. So number 20, I'm going to first start by moving 3 cosine squared x to the left-hand side. As we prepare for our test, let's make sure that we are showing all of our work. Sine squared x minus 3 cosine squared x equals 0. And now I'm going to choose to replace cosine. You could have chosen to replace sine. I know, looking at our Pythagorean identities, that if I replace cosine squared is equal to 1 minus sine squared. Okay, I'm going to distribute the negative 3 to end up with sine squared x minus 3. 2 negatives make a positive, plus 3 sine squared x equals 0. 1 sine squared and 3 sine squared would be 4 sine squared x minus 3 equals 0. And now as I've tried to isolate the x, remember that we're going to do PEMDAS backwards. So first adding or subtracting, 4 sine squared x equals 3. Dividing both sides by 4, I have sine squared x equals 3/4. Taking a square root, remember I'll have a plus or a minus. So sine of x equals plus or minus the square root of 3. I know the square root of 4 is 2. Okay, so now let's think about this. When I look at my unit circle, first thing I'm going to do, without referring back to this identity sheet, I'm going to think, where can I find the sign equal to radical 3 over 2? So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Sign is the second number, so that's going to be right here. This would be radical 3 over 2. Okay, so this is all-star trig class, so I can find the positive signs in these two locations and the negative signs in these two locations. So this would be 1, 2, so 2 pi over 6, 3, 4, 4 pi over 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 pi over 6, 9, 10, 10 pi over 6. Now when I reduce it, I end up with pi over 3, 2 pi over 3, 4 pi over 3, and 5 pi over 3. These are my answers to this particular problem.